Mima reporting for some good news. Today, Cameron's in the kitchen. Take a look.
Hi, I'm Cameron today.
What are you going to do today, Cameron?
We're going to make a movie with Mima and Cameron.
And who are you making this for?
Papa and me.
Yes. Is this junk food or is this a healthy recipe?
Healthy.
Yes, it is. What's in the smoothie?
We got frozen bananas.
It's cocoa.
Honey. Peanut butter.
And what? What's that one in the big jar with the blue lid?
Cocoa.
Okay. All right, and then what else goes in there?
Ice.
Right.
Oh,
Okay.
some ice.
All right, let's get some ice. So what we're doing is we've got one frozen banana. We've got about 2 teaspoons of raw cacao, about a teaspoon of honey, a little bit more. It's probably more like 2 teaspoons because it tastes really good.
Not like honey.
Well, you like it in the smoothie though. It makes it sweet.
Why is too much?
And then we need
Why is too
a
much?
big tablespoon of
Peanut butter.
peanut butter. You're missing the almond milk, aren't you?
What? We got the almond milk.
Mm-hmm. The straw, you want to put the straw in for him?
Yeah.
Okay.
He did the purple straw and I did the green straw.
Okay.
This is Papa's smoothie.
You gonna take it to him now?
Yes.
Okay. Is it good?
Mm.
A little bit.
Can you see my hand?
Wow, you're all done already.
Rhoda likes ice cream.
Hmm?
Rhoda likes movies. Back to you, John.